I'm here with
Jordan.
Where is your outfit from today?
My grandma's.
Perfect, thank you. I'm here with
Mrs. Bennett.
Where'd you get your outfit?
I stole it from my son.
Thank you. I'm here with
Sierra. Ellie.
Where did you guys get your outfits from today?
Walmart. Tractor Supply and Walmart.
Perfect, thank you. Today's teacher versus student, and I'm here with
Aaron.
Who are you dressed up as today?
I'm dressed up as Mr. Melly.
Yeah, okay,
Who am I here
with?
Nova.
Who are you dressed up as today?
Salem.
Why'd you dress up as Miss Salem?
She dressed up as me.
Thank you. Who am I here with today?
Jordan.
Who are you dressed up as?
Miss Rizzetano.
Why did you choose to dress up as Miss Rizzetano?
I don't really know. I just thought it'd be funny.
Who am I here with?
Mrs. Bowen.
What is your favorite beach?
It's the beach that I grew up on. It's called Tupsaug Beach on Long Island.
Thank you, perfect. Who am I here with?
Gracie.
Great.
What is your favorite beach?
My favorite beach is Siesta Key Beach.
Beach is Myrtle Beach.
Who am I here with?
Lorelai.
Madison.
And what's your guys' costume?
Step Brothers.
Who am I here with?
Alexa.
What's your costume?
Shrek.
And who's your duo?
Jordan.
Who am I here with?
Mr. Carberry.
Who you dressed up as?
Mike Wazowski from Monsters, Inc.
And who's your duo?
Mrs. Bennett is Roz.
Who am I here with?
Delana Blair.
What are you most excited for the pep rally?
I'm excited to see my sister run through the...
Who am I here with? Avery Wolf.
Cameron Stolt.
And what are you guys most excited for the pep assembly?
to MC, hype up the crowd, and bring the energy.
We're gonna create the best homecoming pep assembly that the school has ever seen.
Dang straight, dang straight.